Hey guys, what is up and welcome in today's video. It's your boy Bilal Aman, and in today's video we're gonna unbox the iPhone 13 Pro right here, right now in Sierra Blue. All right guys, right from the start, take a look at the box. You can see this is the Sierra Blue color, so this is like the hero color of Apple's new phone. It's a really nice looking color from the box. It's like a grayish blue, looks pretty cool to me. From the box, you can actually see in the picture of the iPhone 13 how amazing it looks, like the color. It looks unique, it looks nice. So hopefully it's as nice as what it appears on the box. And you can see the size of the new cameras. So going ahead, looking at the box, the new iPhone 13 Pro, the new box doesn't have any plastic or anything wrapped around. You actually have this pull tab right here. It's a green tab where you just like pull and it opens the new iPhone 13. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at this. Gonna go ahead and pull that open. Let's see how it looks. Go ahead and take a look at this. And wow, out of the box, whoa, take a look at that guys, the iPhone 13 Pro. So if you take a look, you can see the size of the cameras, how big it is. The color just looks absolutely phenomenal. I think they did a great job. From what I've heard, I think that you had a new process in developing this color, but yeah, it looks like a powder blue. Has grayish tones to it, pretty cool. Yeah, definitely nice. And wow, the cameras look actually humongous compared to the 12. But let's take a look and see what we have in the box. Okay, so all right, so in the box we have the new iPhone 13. If you take a look, here's the new ProMotion display. Wow. Now the new iPhone 13s, you can see the new notch right over here. It's much smaller. You'll get a better look once I turn on the phone, but from first impressions, wow, it looks pretty amazing. So this is the new bezel around the iPhone. It looks like it's gonna be really bad for fingerprints, honestly. So you're gonna get a lot of fingerprints on here on the side bezel. Right now, even as I'm touching it, I can start to see the smudges. But the buttons, oh wow, yeah, really nice nice clicks, very solid. And then the screen looks pretty amazing, I mean, for now. And then you got the lightning port. A lot of us were expecting to get the USB-C charging instead of the lightning port. We haven't seen it in this year's model. Hopefully in next year's model I'll get that faster charging. But still, it's fine. In the box, besides the iPhone 13 Pro, we have you know, our Designed by Apple information. So we take a look and let's see what's in here. So you guys got the little SIM card tool. The next thing you have is more information from Apple about the iPhone, Apple logo sticker. Pretty nice, yeah. Then we got the lightning port cable. It's a USB-C to lightning port. Let's go ahead and turn it on for the first time and see what it looks like. And there you go guys, it's starting up. You can see the Apple logo. And yeah, they got a new introductory screen. It says hello in, I'm assuming, different languages. And now that the screen is on, you can actually see the notch size, how much of a difference it is. So it's 20% smaller. They moved, I believe, the speaker a little bit up. And then guys, just for comparison, I got the iPhone 13 Pro, and then I have an iPhone 12 just to see a comparison of the phones. So as you can see, so on the iPhone 13 Pro, you can see the notch is a little smaller than the iPhone 12 notch size comparison. So it gives you a little bit more real estate. I'm not sure if it's going to give you that percentage on there now that is smaller, but definitely some much appreciated real estate. On the back, you can see I have the iPhone 12 in blue, and I have the iPhone 13 Pro in Sierra Blue. You can see the contrast of the colors. So this one has more of that grayish tone like we were saying before. The blue is just like, you know, your standard blue color, but as you can see, the colors, it's pretty amazing on the new one. And then looking at the sides of the phone, you can take a look. The new sides of the new phone has that more of a, I guess, chrome-like feature. It's more reflective. And then taking a look at the cameras, I know this is not a pro-to-pro comparison, but just taking a look at the camera lenses, you can see how much bigger the new iPhone 13 is in terms of the camera lens sizes. It is supposed to be a little bit thicker, the new iPhones. You can't really tell from my viewing angle. You can't tell, to be honest. So this is the iPhone 12, and then this is the iPhone 13 Pro. As you can see, hopefully it's focusing in the camera. Just getting my face out of the way. This is the new iPhone 13, guys. As you can see right over there, there's the screen setup. We're not gonna set it up right now, but as you can see, that's the new iPhone 13 Pro. Really nice color, really nice features. What we're gonna do is we're gonna set up the iPhone, and hopefully in our next video you guys can go ahead and catch us and see our setup of the iPhone and then our first impressions of all the features of the new iPhone 13 Pro. But this was the unboxing today. Thank you guys for sticking around to the end of the video. I have another iPhone 13 Pro. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a giveaway, but check out our next video on the new iPhone 13 Pro's feature, and hopefully we could do something for you guys then. So with that being said, guys, please go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and if you guys have any comments about the new iPhone 13 Pro, I'd love to hear from you guys. Go ahead and send your comments down in the boxes below. And then, yeah, we'll see you guys for the next video.